Imagine a typical morning. I'm standing at an intersection, waiting for a car to go to work. And suddenly I see something amazing. A small horse is grazing behind the fence on the neighboring plot. Yes, you heard right. On a simple piece of land overgrown with bushes, this cute horse suddenly appeared. I couldn't believe my eyes. Do you want to know how it got there and what happened next? Watch the video to the end, a real surprise awaits you.